Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to send WAV files from GarageBand directly. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can send WAV files directly from GarageBand. The first thing you want to do is open up audio recorder right here. This is going to open up this recording menu, but we do not need to use it. What we want to do is go right here to the upper left corner and click on the edit menu. That's opening up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks we have. So you can see I have my tracks right here, and I want to send this music file as a WAV file. What I have to do is go ahead and click this arrow pointing downwards in the upper left corner. Click on the arrow, it's going to open up this option that says my songs. And after clicking on my songs, guys, this is now going to open up this GarageBand recents folder where you can see all the songs that you have in your projects. So find the project that you want to send and go ahead and long hold it. Tap on it, long hold it, and this is going to open up this new menu where one of the options is going to be called share. So let's go ahead and click on share, and after clicking share, guys, this is now going to open up this new menu of options where you can see we can send a project, song, and so on. So what you want to do is click on song, and after clicking on song, now you can get started finding the quality that we want to use. And after finding the quality, you have the share button in the upper right corner. Click on the upper right corner, click on the share button, and you can choose where you want to share it. You can save it to your phone and so on, and choose what to do with your WAV file. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.